Hello my colleagues, it's Mike Erumaka here again, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get started in buying stocks in Nigeria using the Afri Invest application. My major reasons for making this video is because of how the Truth Investment app, which many investors like you use, has been misbehaving. Their customer service has been very poor lately, and many members of my investing community have been complaining about their service. Personally, I use the Truth Investment app and complement it by also using the Afri Invest stockbroker application to invest in the Nigerian stock market. Now, I'm not going to say that Afri Invest is the best app out there because they actually do have their own problems, but I would say that it is a good alternative to the Truth Investment application. By the way, do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and you can also join my business and investing community. Link would be in the description and comment section. All these are totally free of charge to do, so please help me subscribe and join the community. And without much talk, let's jump right into today's video. Let's go. To get started with the Afri Invest application, simply head over to the Google Play Store, or you can use my link, which would be in the comment section or description, to download the application. Once you have downloaded the app, the next step you need to take is to sign up or sign into the application. If it's your first time, you would need to sign up and then do your KYC to be verified. Your KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer, would involve you submitting a very clear picture of your NIN and NEPA bill, and then providing your BVN number. Once you have provided all this, it will take less than 48 hours for your account to be verified. It is worth knowing that your account being verified does not mean that you can now start buying stocks immediately. You will still need a CSCS and a CHN to be created for you. If you are a Truth user coming over to Afri Invest, you might be saying, well, on the Truth application we don't need that to trade, so why do you need it on Afri Invest? Well, as a Truth user, the default trading account when you create or when you sign up is a custodial account, meaning that your account is held in custody with a stockbroker called ARM or ARM Securities. So Truth is a middleman in the transaction process, and in partnership with ARM Securities, they represent you when you invest in the Nigerian stock market. But when it comes to investing with Afri Invest, you are opening an account as an individual directly with a stockbroker, and will need a CHN, which stands for Clearinghouse Number, and a CSCS, which stands for Central Securities Clearing System, to be able to buy and sell stocks in the Nigerian stock market. Your CHN, just like for example your BVN, is a unique identity number that identifies you in the Nigerian stock market. So each investor is expected to have a single CHN. On the other hand, the CSCS is a specific number that links you as an investor to a particular stock brokerage firm that you make use of. So while your CSCS is like your bank account number, your CHN is your BVN and can be linked to any CSCS number you have with any stock broker that you decide to use anytime in the future. Leave a comment by saying nice if you understand this explanation I've just made, but if you don't still understand it, leave a comment and ask your questions in the comment section. I will definitely be there to explain. So proceeding, on the Afri Invest app, once you have done your KYC, just request to get a CHN and a CSCF. If after 48 hours it has not yet been created for you, just contact them on Twitter, just like I did. You can see my message to them, and in fact, it's not going to take up to 48 hours. They will respond to you and fasten the whole process of creating the CSCS. In fact, in less than 48 hours, it will be created for you. Going further, let's assume now that you have successfully done your KYC and gotten a CSCS and a CHN. Let's proceed in then funding our Afri Invest application and then buying the shares of a company. We are going to be buying the shares of a newly listed company on the NGX called Transcore Power. So let's do that. So to fund our Afri Invest account, I'm actually logged in. You click on this place that says Fund Wallet. You click on it. Click on the Fund Wallet to put in the amount of money you want to fund our account with. Let me say we want to fund it like 10,000 naira. You just put in 10,000 naira there, and then click on the continue button. Then you say you want to fund it with bank transfer. We click on bank transfer, and then what we have to now do is copy the account number we are seeing on our screen. So we have Wema Bank, the account name is AFR, which is Afri Invest. Copy the account number and then head over to our bank app. So head over to our my bank app. I'm using OP. So I'm in the OP app. I'll just click on transfer to, click on to bank, then put in the bank I want to transfer to. The bank is Wema Bank, so I'll just search for Wema Bank and type it in my OP application. Then I paste the account number there. As you can see, it has showed my Afri Invest. Then I click on the next button and then put in the amount I want to send into my Afri Invest. Remember, it's 10,000 naira, so 10,000 naira, and then I can put in for stocks. That's my mark. And click on the confirm button and wait for it to go through. So it says okay, click on pay. So my transfer is successful. Let me now head over to my Afri Invest to see if it's reflected. So you can see the money has reflected. It took up to like maybe 3 minutes, and then the money reflected. And as you can see my wallet balance, I have 10,539 naira 97 kobo. So now invest in Transcorp Power. You can scroll up a little bit and click on this place that says stocks, or below here, these nav bars that are here, or these bars that are below here, the place that says portfolio. So the place that says invest, you click on it. You now click on this place that says Nigerian stocks, because that is what you want to invest into. So you click on Nigerian stocks, and then you can search for the company or scroll up to buy. Let me say Transcorp Power. Click on it, and as you can see, Transcorp is currently selling for 377 naira per share. If you scroll up a little bit and take a look at the place that says info, you see that it opened at 368 naira per share today, and then it previously closed at 368 naira, and then the best bid price, how much people are willing to buy it, has been 372 naira, and then the 24 hours change is 2.44%, and the highest it has gone today is 380 naira, and the 52 weeks higher, the highest it has gone so far is 386 naira. So I want to buy. Let's just click on the buy button. This is a new stock. I want to buy using the limit order, and then put in how long do you want it to, our order to last, for 30 days, 5 days. Let's just say we want it to last for the day. If you are able to see someone that sells to us, no problem. So click on the one that says good for the day, and then put in the price you want to buy at. We want to buy at 377. Let's say 370, and then how many units you want to buy. Let's say we want to buy 50 units. 50 units is it going to give us, if you say 370 naira times 50 will give us how many? Let's calculate. So that's 36,000 naira. So it's we don't have up to that. So let's just say we want to buy 15 units. I think let's now click on buy. So you can see that it's going to give us 5,550, and then the quantity we are buying, you can see, is 15. The market price currently is 377, and then the commission, which is how much they will earn, is 80 naira, and then the transaction fee is 25 naira. So in total we are spending 5,655 naira to buy these shares. Click on the buy now, and then you can see that it says our Transcorp Power purchase is in progress. So if we find someone that will sell to us at that price, this order is going to be successfully executed. If we don't find anybody that will sell to us at this amount today, this order will be expired and it will not be successful. So this is how to invest into the Nigerian stock market using the Afri Invest application. You click on the turn, and when it is successful, you can see in my portfolio I have 295,000. That's how much I've invested so far. And when this order is successful, it's going to be added to this 295,000, and I might have around 300 and something thousand invested into the Nigerian stock market using the Afri Invest application. You can simply go to this place that says portfolio to see the stocks you have, to see your portfolio, to see the equity. This place that says equity, it basically shows you how much you have invested so far. The place that says Naira wallet balance is how much you have in your wallet that you can use to invest. And then if you have invested in any commercial paper, you see it here. Then treasury bills, you see it here. And that's the good thing about Afri Invest. You can invest in commercial papers and treasury bills using the Afri Invest application. This place that says invest, this is where you can find commercial papers and treasury bills you can invest in. For those who might be wondering what are commercial papers are basically short-term debt. Let me say, for example, Dangote, if they want to take loan from the public, they can offer commercial papers that you can buy into and get a return on investment, once they are ready to pay off the debt. And there's going to be a deadline from they will tell you, they will give, and when they will pay off the debt they borrowed from you. So you click on commercial papers, you can see that you have UAC Food. They are looking at borrowing, at lending money, and you see that their interest rate is around 18.2 21%, and at the end of the year you're going to get approximately 20%, and then the maturity date of the loan you're giving to them is going to be 4th of September, and they have another commercial paper which would mature by December, on the 3rd of December. So which of them you're interested in, you can click on it. They usually have a minimum you can invest, and as you can see, you have 5 million naira. That's the minimum you can invest, and then it must be in multiples of 1,000 naira. And you can see that the offer is valued till 9 a.m. on Saturday, 17th of February 2024. It has actually expired from the looks of things. Well, that's basically for commercial papers. And then if you have any stock, let me say your parents invested in the stock market using your name or something like that, and you want to recover it, you can use this to recover stocks. And then you go up to this place that says wallet. You can see your transaction history, recent transactions, how much you have in your wallet. If you want to withdraw this money, you can click on this withdraw button, put in the amount you want to withdraw. Let me say I want to withdraw 2,000, put in 2,000 naira, click on next, click on withdraw, and then put in my code, and then it's going to be sent to my account, because when I was signing up I put in my account details, so it's going to be sent to that account details I put in there. That was basically an overview of the Afri Invest application. It's a very good app to use. I personally use it, as you can see, and I will recommend it to you, my audience, and my community members. So this is how you use the Afri Invest application to invest in the Nigerian stock market. If you have any questions or you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and say nice one. I'll be there to heart your comment and reply your comment. And don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and join my business and investing community. See you on the next one. Deal.